Yeah, yeah. Without sin, cast the first stone, blast the verse, no matter the class of birthstone. Thinking it for you hypocritic berserk clones. I'm hoping that words, smoking the words that touch home and clutch domes. You think electrical sockets and wet feet. How you infinitely get sleep the minute we get deep. Ladies and gents, peak 100% heat up under cement streets. No wonder you mincemeat. Yes, I'm from Unity, my last name sits in the middle of opportunity. With true laid plans and new made fans, my crew raid lands and punch like the Kool-Aid man.
It was a long road to glory, battle for territory, just to be called the masters of the ceremony. Marathon, decathlon, wordplay, megabomb. Metabolism with the rhythm, keep it going on. Battle for territory, just to be called the masters of the ceremony. Marathon, decathlon, wordplay, megabomb. Metabolism with the rhythm, keep it going on.
The epitome, 500,000 so convincingly. Street ministry, J-Flip platoon infantry. Finna be, about to be the best kept commodity. 12-inch LP represented properly. Now possibly the knock will be that old school philosophy that if it doesn't rock for me, it's not considered property. Remember me, remember us. Ice cold, cold crush, 1920 gold rush. Rolling up, hold up. Now ain't no need for you to be surprised when we implement and improvise with each and every verse that I get busy with. Lacing it with murder talk, tongue assault, tomahawk, razor sharp, jabber wall.
Fresh kid, we're making our bed, and we do lots of things that we never did. We went to Paris in the springtime, Bahamas in the fall. We think a lot, we do it all. It was a long road to glory, battle for territory, just to be called the masters of the ceremony. Marathon, decathlon, wordplay, megabomb. Metabolism with the rhythm, keep it going on. Battle for territory, just to be called the masters of the ceremony. Marathon, decathlon, wordplay, megabomb. Metabolism with the rhythm, keep it going on.
Pick a paragraph and phrase it, mentally you save it. Kick it to the world and suddenly they crave it. That's the way it is in this verbal warfare. Working hard for the love, but there ain't no horse here. Yeah, it's been put in, wanna play, put your foot in. Cause you'll be coming back like the brother Dwight Gooden. Seven's back again, slapping men and asking them if they really wanna fuck with the style we tapping in.
Hey yo, I just couldn't wait to grab a piece of my own cake so I can elevate and hold my own weight. My mind state beat the ghetto, street corner heavy metal, black like the pot and tea.